I have a second channel, Cube Compium TDX. Okay, it's going to be a phone call to MyLife.com to get them to remove my information off their site. And from my understanding, this ain't the first time I've had to do this. So I figured I'm going to record this phone call just for the heck of it.
Thank you for calling MyLife.com. The only place to find anyone, check their background report, reputation scores, and improve your own to better your life. Because reputation is more important than credit. To subscribe to a MyLife Premium membership, or to learn more about our products, please press 1. If you are a current subscriber, please press 2. If you have questions about personal information displayed on a public page, please press 3. For technical support or thanks for calling MyLife. A MyLife expert will be with you shortly. MyLife is the most comprehensive personal monitor for your background report information. We can help you find information about others and control the information that's available about you. We even show you who's searching for you and viewing your background report. Please continue to hold, and a MyLife expert will be right with you. You are currently caller number 6, waiting to speak with a representative. The estimated hold time is currently 18 minutes. Thank you for your patience.
Hi, thank you for calling MyLife. This is Mara speaking, your background report specialist. Talking now.
Yes, I'm calling to have my information removed from your site.
I understand that you don't want your private information being exposed online, but everything on your MyLife profile was pulled together from across the entire web, similar to Google search. MyLife searched the web so you could see what's exposed about you.
Right, this is the second time I've had to call y'all to remove this information too.
Because your information are still out there, man.
I know, and I
remove your profile of MyLife.
it's not. I understand it's not your fault, but I find it hilarious that y'all are charging people to view this information, and it's hilariously incorrect. Y'all like the phone number and stuff that's displayed, and my address and stuff that's displayed. It's not even my current address.
Actually, yeah, because as I told you, we just saw it from the other websites who are exposing your information online.
Okay. Yeah, I'd like to have it removed.
So if you want, you can call the other website.
I'm sorry?
If you want, you can call the other websites where MyLife got your information so that it won't be removed.
So there's no way that I can request y'all to remove this information off of MyLife.
Let me check. Can you please provide your first name, last name, and your zip code?
Yes. The zip code is.
How do you spell your last name? Thank you. I got your profile now, so I will pause the removal of this page. I assure that it will be removed from MyLife immediately. But from search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing, it will take 5 business days to be removed. Is there anything else?
That's it.
Alright, thanks for calling MyLife. Bye-bye.
Have a good one.
You too.
Bye-bye. Really? Seriously? He was like, you're going to contact that other website. Well, okay, what's the other website? This is the second time I've had to request to remove this information off of their site. And as I mentioned to the guy, it's freaking hilarious that they charge people they charge people to sign up for a premium account in order to view all the details. But the stuff they have listed for free is not even correct. So yeah, that they what exactly are you paying for? It's ridiculous. It's freaking ridiculous. And this man was like, well, you're going to have to contact the website. No. I want you to remove this off your site. I didn't sit on this phone for all this time waiting to speak with you just so you could tell me to go to their website. Yeah. Isn't that wonderful? Well, guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.